What are you doing? What's happening? What's happening?
I love you. I love you. I swear I do. Oh, hi, I love you too. I love you too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How much?
Take them for free. Hey, you little chubby thing. Come here. Oh, look at that little tail wag. Little Roscoe.
Witness the absolute chaos of feline life captured in these high-stakes moments. We begin with a gravity-defying leap that puts Olympic athletes to shame. Then we see the sheer betrayal of a toy gone rogue while a tiny boss in a yellow tracksuit demands immediate respect. It is a whirlwind of fluffy confusion and questionable life choices that only a cat could truly master.
Listen, I think she's 10 feet tall.
Let's see how brave he is.
Witness the ultimate powerhouse connection as these majestic titans join forces. From that first intense look to the grand finale, it is a masterclass in strength and style. These heavy hitters definitely know how to make an entrance. Meet Ramos, the cat who is far too sophisticated for your digital games. While most felines go wild for virtual mice, this tuxedo gentleman remains completely unimpressed. He prefers the real thrill of the hunt over pixels on a screen. Ramos is basically telling us that his standards are much higher.
I can feel there is somebody, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want you. I hear angels from up above. They sing.
Ngapain kayak gitu? Hah? Kita ngapain situ? Ini si Glogo nih.
Watch this floral print sofa struggle for its life as a tiny calico chaos agent launches a full-scale fuzzy assault on a pink feather toy while completely ignoring the beautiful decor.
No!
They sing hallelujah.
It's okay, baby.
In this household we clearly subscribe to the very intense philosophy that sharing is caring unless we are talking about human snacks, which are apparently the ultimate feline prize. Observe this majestic calico as she evaluates the offerings with the discerning eye of a Michelin food critic. First there is the tentative sniff to ensure the structural integrity of the graham cracker is up to her lofty standards. Then comes the gentle nibble as she realizes that yes, the sweet crunchy rectangle is exactly what her soul has been craving all morning. Look at that tiny pink tongue swipe across her nose in pure satisfaction. It is truly a masterclass in feline manipulation and snack-based greed. You might think you own the house, but she clearly owns the pantry and your heart. One tiny bite for cat and one giant leap for kitty kind everywhere who dream of stealing dessert from their humans.
Hey, sweet girl. You like your graham crackers, don't you? Hey, sweet girl. You want more? Do you want more or are you finished? Sweet girl. Daisy. You done?
Gather round for a masterclass in feline surveillance as 4 elite operatives monitor the high wire for a potential security breach. In the first image, the team remains calm, but by the second, a white recruit performs a tactical stretch to intimidate the enemy. The tension builds in frames 3 and 4 as they lock onto their target with laser focus. Finally, the true culprit is revealed: a tiny bird perched safely on a wire, completely ignoring the neighborhood watch.
Be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love.
When you realize it is only Monday morning and you have a full week of being a professional good boy ahead of you, send help immediately.
I hear angels from
Behold the majestic orange fluff ball attempting a daring midair snack capture. His focus is legendary, but his coordination remains questionable. Clearly he is powered by chaos and a single shared brain cell.
这是去防去啊！
Well, this is our Sunday.
Witness this cloud with pause as it discovers the terrifying mystery of a plastic bag. It started with curiosity but quickly devolved into deep existential confusion and several very fluffy concerns.
घर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है वो हो तुम
yang tidak suka kucing, apalagi kucing liar yang suka bermain ke rumah. Jangan pernah menyakitinya ya, atasi aja dengan remove anti kucing liar. Ini efektif bisa mengusir kucing tanpa menyakitinya. Caranya cukup mudah, tinggal disemprotkan aja di bagian-bagian rumah yang biasa dilalui kucing. Bisa di depan pagar, depan pintu, teras, ataupun tempat lainnya. Maka dia akan menghindar dengan sendirinya. Remove anti kucing liar ini mengandung bahan alami sehingga sangat aman buat kucing karena dia hanya tidak suka dengan baunya. Nah, mulai sekarang jangan pernah menyakiti kucing ya. Usir aja dengan remove anti kucing liar.
Behold the tiny fierce beast in its natural habitat as it embarks on a legendary quest to conquer the fuzzy wand of ultimate doom. At first our fluffy protagonist remains cautiously curious while maintaining a majestic seated posture, but the allure of the spinning feathers becomes far too much for any kitten to resist. Notice the precise calculations behind those wide eyes before the inevitable pounce occurs. Gravity is merely a suggestion when there are blue pompons to be destroyed.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
This hard-working manager is taking his supervisory duties very seriously today. While the humans toil away in the dirt, he provides essential moral support from a strictly horizontal position.
I can feel it coming, $1 deal. No matter how big I get, I will always keep it real.
This pint-sized tuxedo terror starts with an innocent puppy gaze, then instantly shifts into high gear, zigzagging across the patio like a chaotic caffeinated fuzzy beam.